Hello, my name is Peter Overbo, and I am the Director of Product Management for Yanmar Compact Equipment North America. Today we have our newest model in our mid-frame lineup, the TL80 VS. TL stands for track loader, 80 is the approximate horsepower. This machine falls under the 75 horsepower class, so there's no diesel exhaust fluid required to operate this machine. And VS stands for vertical lift and suspended undercarriage. When it comes to our undercarriage, like I had mentioned, it is a suspended undercarriage, so we have independent torsion suspension both in the rear and the front to give a good ride quality and maintain contact with the track to the ground for better stability and traction. On this machine, we're running a 15.7-inch wide track with 60 inches of track coverage on the ground. It is a bar style tread track, which gives better traction with lower vibration than other styles of track. The machine, like I mentioned, it's a box frame loader on a vertical lift, so you're able to reach those loads higher and maintain your load being level out in front of the cab. In front of the machine, you can see this machine is equipped with a hydraulic quick attach, so you're able to quickly change out your attachments. It utilizes 2 independent cylinders for the pins locking that in. Otherwise, the machine can also be ordered with a mechanical style quick attach. Over on the left side of the machine, all our machines come standard with auxiliary hydraulics. This machine is set up with our high flow hydraulics, which put out 34.3 gallons per minute of flow at 3,771 PSI. Also included with this is a 14-pin attachment connection. At the back of the machine, we really wanted to strive for serviceability and accessibility of those components that require maintenance. So without the need for any tools, we have 4 panels that open up on this machine. And the rear door swings out. Another unique feature of the Yanmar CTLs is we do not stack coolers. So if you notice, our radiator, our oil cooler are not stacked on top of each other. Our air-to-air cooler for the engine is not stacked on top of the other coolers. And for our condenser unit for air conditioning in the cab is separate from the rest of the engine coolers. The more common maintenance and service features are located easily accessible, your air filter and all of your fuel filters. When it comes to changing out engine oil, we have removable belly plates that allow access from underneath the machine to be able to drain out that oil, as well as change the filter. And if there is a need to clean out the machine, again, those removable belly plates underneath allow for easy clean out and other accessibility to components on this machine. So when it comes to the cab, we definitely wanted to promote the operator experience and make the cab as comfortable as possible. So on the outside of the cab, you'll notice that we're using LED lights both in the front and the rear with the option to have side LED lights. We offer a mechanical suspended seat as standard, or you can upgrade to an air suspended seat. Our joystick controls are electronic over hydraulic, so you're able to select between H pattern as well as ISO, and you're able to adjust the sensitivity of your hydraulics through our 7-inch touchscreen display up in the left-hand corner of the machine. Also within that display, you're able to select different productivity features that are built into this machine. We offer dual direction self-leveling, that's electronic. We have return to position feature, as well as being able to set the sensitivity for both the drive aggressiveness as well as the hydraulic aggressiveness. Our armrests that both the lap bar, the side lap bar mount on, as well as the joysticks are adjustable both forward and reverse. And the armrests are also adjustable in height. We do have a Bluetooth radio that's built into this machine, as well as a fully ducted HVAC system that's able to control the temperature inside the cab. You'll also notice on this cab that we do not have any side brakes, so all of it is clear glass all the way around the machine. If a customer does want side brakes, we do have the option to add those in. Also on the front door, you'll see that we have our washer fluid here. So it's easy filling. If there is a spill, it happens outside the machine rather than inside the machine. And the door is removable by removing the strut and disconnecting the electrical connector, and it will allow you to operate the machine with the door removed. The footwell inside the cab has a drain plug in it, so if the cab does get dusty or dirty, you're able to wash out the cab and have it drain out. Also, the cab is fully sealed, both underneath the cab as well as the door frame, and it's also pressurized to help keep dust and debris out of the machine. Lastly, the safety features built into this machine. We have a glass breaker to break the side glass or the rear glass in case of an emergency. We have our industry first roof hatch escape that allows you to be able to pop latches and exit through the top of the machine. Once that happens, you're able to easily reattach that roof panel and keep on operating. And lastly, we have our loader release valve located in the back of the machine. So if the bucket arms are up and you're trying to exit through the front and you don't have the hydraulic power to lower the loader arms, you're able to pull up on the release valve and have the loader arms lowered, so that way you're able to access through the front door.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.